Hello, welcome to the farm. You can see yesterday's cherry haul. This one here has got the ready to eat or almost ready to eat cherries. Making no apologies for the state of them. I do not spray them, so they are what they are. And these are the obviously not ripe cherries, but not a bad haul for the first day of picking. You can see like all the dead mosquitoes. I'm sorry folks, but you know, mosquitoes are absolutely horrendous at the moment. Yes, I have my bushman on. Let's go for a bit of a wander. It's so beautiful here. I'm so lucky to live here. In my front garden bed. Got my big hat on, got my sunscreen on, got my sunglasses on, high neck t-shirt, bushman. Just wanted to show you this. This was given to me recently. What do you reckon that is? It looks like a mint, doesn't it? But it's not. It's a raspberry. And there's lots of flowers coming on, or buds. So that means raspberries are on their way. We've had so much rain here. I'm really looking forward to fruit with some warm weather now. And anybody knows me, raspberry are like lollies for me. So I've got a bit of garden colour here. My daughter put these in. They're going well. Of course they're tough as anything, so they don't need any looking after, which is ideal for us. We have enough to do around here. That's an aloe. I have several of these and I didn't even know that they flowered. But their flower is quite striking. They're nearly finished now. This pig face that my husband put in, he went and got it from somebody's farm, one of his mates, and it's just gone crazy. But I'm so glad because it's filled up this sparse place. Chrysanthemums are coming back. This garden bed that really cops the wind, you know, very, very harshly a lot, and it's just filled it up so well and I don't have to do anything to it, which I love. I am trying to pull these things out one by one. No, that one's not going to come out. I think this is a little bit of lavender. Yes. The aggies are coming into flower, which is good. It's always that nice time of year when they're about. There's an aloe that's got 2 flowers on it. So we have lots of that. And it should grow well here because, you know, we essentially are on the desert. Elysium, I don't like the smell of it, but it's very handy for colour. Well, not colour, but, you know, fluffiness in the garden. Oh, there's the wind. That'll be going through the microphone. Hope you can still hear me. Mum's geraniums from cuttings. My rose bush, I don't think it's going to make it. I don't know. Anyway, let's move on. Driveway. Oh, that's windy. Hope that's not too bad. We have lots of olive trees here. This one I thought was dead, but it might not be. And it's a fig. The wind really howls here every day. Here's one that has lots of fruit on it. Like, lots of fruit. Hundreds of figs on that tree. The rain this tree has loved the rain. This is supposed to be a macadamia tree, and it really shouldn't be here because this is way too dry normally for it. But here it is. And last year I think I got 2 nuts off it. So we'll see what happens this year. Oh, hello puppies. I have to let you out in a minute. Alright, here's the star of the show. This is my cherry tree that I love. And I don't spray it. There's quite a bit of fruit there, but I'm letting it ripen naturally, mostly. Yes, all right, Stinger. Right next to another fig, a giant fig that we've had trouble with. It got scale last year and I thought it might have died, but as you can see it's clearly not dead. But we do have to cut it back because it attracts some problematic animals, as you can imagine, and being so close to the kennel we need to monitor that. And another olive tree, I don't know what variety they are. One's a Spanish, one's some other sort, but they're enormous and they need cutting. So that's about it for my food producing trees on the farm. If you'd like to see more of this sort of video, let me know. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.